In this video, I'm going to show you how the Square point of sale integrates with the incoming kitchen display app. Once you've connected your incoming or SalesVu account with Square, all orders that you process on the Square point of sale or Square register will automatically show up on the incoming kitchen display app, so your staff can start working on these orders immediately. The items in the order can be marked with different statuses based on what progress stage they're in. Once you change the status to ready, your customers will be notified about this by text. All orders will also change color automatically based on how much time has passed since the order was placed for easier order prioritizing for your staff. Food items that need to be made are summarized on top of the screen. The incoming app can be projected on a large monitor either in kitchen mode for the kitchen staff or in customer mode if you want to use a monitor for customers to show when their order is ready. All these basic features are free, but you can also upgrade to advanced features, such as the ability to only display food items at a specific kitchen prep counter while drink orders only go to the bar. If you have any questions about this integration or the incoming app, please reach out to us 24/7 by phone, chat, or email.